Do you know many people are having trouble with assembling their Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Connect power adapter. Connect the power adapter to the power connection on the side panel. Step 2. Plug into wall. Plug the power adapter into a wall power outlet. Step 3. Turn on module. Press the power button on the side panel to turn on the module. Step 4. Connect outputs. Use 1/4 TRS cables to connect the outputs on the rear panel to a speaker or amplifier. Step 5. Link audio player. Connect a 1/8 stereo cable to the Aux In on the rear panel to link an optional audio player. Step 6. Attach drum pads. Use standard TRS and TS cables to connect optional drum pads and cymbal pads to trigger specific sounds. By following these steps, you should now have a fully assembled and functioning Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit. Happy drumming! Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Alesis users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.